करुणाकरसूरीन्द्र गुरुवर्य पदाम्बुजां नवनीतनटोत्तंसां गुरुपङ्क्ति श्रियन्नुमः. Friends, today I am here to tell you a short moral story based on scriptures, which gives us the message that rage destroys. Once upon a time, there was a sage named Kashyapa, who was the father of Garuda, the king of birds. It so happened that Garuda once saw a very strange scene in front of him. There was a river, and on the banks of this river, an elephant and a tortoise were fighting fiercely. This battle continued throughout the day, and when Garuda came back the next day to the same spot, he saw the same fight going on between the animals. He saw that this fight happened over days and days together. He was surprised at this and questioned his father Kashyapa about this. He asked sage Kashyapa, "O father, do you know why these two animals are fighting non-stop like this?" To this, sage Kashyapa narrated the story of the previous birth of these two animals. The story goes that the two had been brothers in their previous birth. They were named as Vibhavasu and Supratika. They were pious men who had done a lot of penance. But when their father died, a dispute arose between the two about dividing their father's property. In course of the fight, Supratika cursed Vibhavasu that he was obsessed like an elephant, obsessed with power like an elephant, and so he turns into an elephant. This was a curse. And Vibhavasu in turn cursed back Supratika, saying that you were quiet all these years as if you knew nothing, but you behaved like a tortoise who actually comes into one's house and takes over the entire space for himself. So you deserve to become a tortoise. So the two cursed each other and thus turned into an elephant and a tortoise. Unfortunately, so much was their hatred for each other that the fight continued even in their next birth according to the curse. And because of the effect of this hatred, they are still continuing to fight as an elephant and a tortoise. No one dared interfere in their fight because they were pious men who still had some powers of their penance. So they were scared that they would get cursed if they interfered in the fight. Sage Kashyapa told Garuda that, "O Garuda, you possess the power to ingest these two animals and digest them off, thus putting an end to their fight. The fight which is causing a lot of inconvenience to people who reside near the river. The fight causes so much of destruction on the riverbank and so much of noise for days together. So people are all troubled. These two have become antisocial in nature, and so they need to be killed. And you possess the power to do so, O Garuda. Go ahead and get rid of these antisocial elements," said sage Kashyapa. Garuda obeyed his father and immediately flew over this riverbank and clutched the two creatures in his talons and flew off to a banyan tree. But the branch on which he perched started sagging because of the weight of Garuda and the two creatures. As Garuda saw that this branch was sagging, he also noticed that tiny sages called Valakilyas were actually hanging on to the branch doing penance. These sages were just the size of a thumb, and many of them were clinging on to this branch which was about to break, doing penance. So Garuda thought he needs to save the sages. So he caught the branch by his legs, held the two creatures in his mouth, and he flew far away to a valley named Gandashaila, where he placed this branch between two rocks and ensured that the sages were all safe. And from there, he flew again to another rock, kept down his praise, the two animals, the elephant and the tortoise, and began eating them. How he began eating them was, he first pierced them with a beak, swallowed them down his throat, and finally they went into Garuda's stomach. It is said that when Garuda pricked them with his beak, when he swallowed them, when they slipped down his throat, and when they went right into his stomach, they still continued to fight. Until they got completely digested, they kept on fighting. Such was their rage. Rage destroys if we give in to it. It will ultimately spell doom for us, as it did for this elephant and this tortoise. So, friends, please remember that rage, contempt, and hatred are all ill feelings that we should try to avoid completely. And if it seeps into our lives, we should take control of the situation and somehow get ourselves out of it. Thank you.